Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. I'll be telling you guys about Coinstar machines and their Bitcoin purchasing options. So you'll generally see these Coinstar machines at grocery stores like Safeway or Walmart, and a lot of them have added the option to purchase Bitcoin on them, and it's very easy and simple to do, and it doesn't take up too much time. All you need is a phone number and cash, and then it'll print out a voucher for you to redeem your Bitcoin online at their website. When creating an account, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of your driver's license or passport or a form of ID, and also take a picture of your face with your phone for them to verify, which your account should only take around 5 minutes to verify to where you can send your Bitcoin to any other wallet address. And you do not need to input your social security number, which is something I like compared to Coinbase, which when signing up on an account, you do need to also input your home address and first and last name, though, which Coinbase does too. I did find this process a lot faster and easier than Coinbase, though, and I was able to purchase with cash. So if I did not have access to a bank account or a debit card or credit card, I could still buy Bitcoin and use it in this way, which is perfect for banking the unbanked. You will need internet access and ID to have this all work though, and you also need to keep the voucher safe until you get home to redeem it. I had 5 minutes to input however much cash I wanted, and it gave me all the details of what the price I'm buying the Bitcoin at and what the transaction fee is. So I bought $5 worth of Bitcoin in cash, and the transaction fee was 4%, which is pretty high. That's around Coinbase's transaction fee for debit cards. Although the Coinstar or like CoinMe, whichever you want to call it, had me buy Bitcoin at the exchange rate of one Bitcoin for $10,373, which in real time, Bitcoin was actually around $500 to $1,000 cheaper than that at the time. So I did pay a premium, or technically you can say another fee, just for buying it at a higher rate than what it actually was at. Um, so after my whole experience, what I got out from buying Bitcoin through Coinstar's ATMs is that I was able to purchase Bitcoin with cash with high fees and had to verify my identity, and also I had to drive to it in person, which if you're already buying groceries, then it's fine. But otherwise, you have to go out of your way to spend the time, the money for gas to purchase Bitcoin. And so, although I do like that I don't need a bank account, which is pretty cool, or a debit card or credit card to purchase Bitcoin, which is one of the purposes of Bitcoin, banking the unbanked. And this is a perfect way to do it, honestly. And I mean, it is in grocery stores, which makes it very convenient. I mean, that's a type of place that everyone goes to, anyways. And so I also think getting Bitcoin out in public in these type of spaces may help people just see Bitcoin and kind of like be like, oh, what's that? Question it and look it up and research it. And as they'll see like Coinstar's offering people to buy it, they'll look up on Coinstar's website, what is Bitcoin or whatever, and they'll see that they might already use Coinstar and know what it is, so they'll be like, oh yeah, this is a pretty popular company, this is a reputable company, and they're selling Bitcoin, so that's kind of good for adoption in my opinion. um, so all in all, I really only recommend purchasing Bitcoin this way if you're trying to avoid inputting your social security number into anything, or if you don't want to or can't purchase Bitcoin through your bank in any form, like debit or credit, or just like a bank transfer if they're not allowing it. As you can see, it says buy Bitcoin with cash at Coinstar, powered by CoinMe. Yep, that's what it looks like. And this is the voucher, by the way. This person took a picture. They bought like $1 worth, and that's the 4% transaction fee. They bought it. Ooh, exchange rate one Bitcoin for 4,000. I wonder when this was a thing. This must have been when Bitcoin crashed, maybe. But um, another cool thing on when you sign up and make your account, you'll see your portfolio balance. So So this is mine. I bought $5 worth, so it's at $4.31 right now. That's my Bitcoin balance, how much Bitcoin I own, when I received it, the time and everything. Which they also have UpToken. I'm not too sure. That might be their own cryptocurrency or something. I don't know. I haven't looked too much into UpToken. But and then so after looking at the transactions, there's also a send thing you can do by scanning a QR code or enter in the Bitcoin address and how much USD, the Bitcoin amount. Then I'll say the network fee, the total amount, the amount. Another cool thing is you can also click receive, so you can also use this wallet for sending and receiving. So if you can make this your ultimate Bitcoin wallet if you want. It is like ID verified and everything like that. So I mean, if you want a more anonymous wallet, you can go and download any crypto wallet. But I just think it's pretty cool if this is the only way you can do it. Another thing is it'll say enter your voucher code to redeem your Bitcoin. When you redeem a code, your Bitcoin has been purchased and is being registered to the blockchain. It may take up to 1 hour for the transaction to show up into your wallet, depending on the blockchain and network activity, which it only took like 5 or like no more than 15 minutes for me. I think it was like 10 minutes or shorter. There's the redeem code, the PIN, and above it it'll say for your phone number, but I just removed that so you guys can't see my number. So yeah, you can do send, receive, the amount. It'll tell you the fee, the total amount, and then you just type in your code right. Where is it? Right here, redemption code. The redemption code and the PIN, and then it'll give you your Bitcoin. Yeah, they purchased $1 worth. They got 4 cents total, $1. That's the amount of Bitcoin. So it was probably even lower than 4,000. It's probably like around 3,500 when they bought it. And so just upped the fee right there to 4,000. It's from Reddit. Okay, well, anyways, this is all the stuff I wanted to show you. As you can see, it's pretty simple stuff. Like, it's very easy to tell how it all works. It's not very confusing. And the buying Bitcoin on here is pretty simple too. So yeah, if you want to buy Bitcoin with cash, because that's the only form you can, because you don't got a bank account, or if your bank bans you and like freezes your stuff just simply for buying crypto through exchanges, we'll go ahead and use this format if it's the only way you can, and you can buy Bitcoin in person, which is a lot better for things like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content about Bitcoin. And I just thought I would do this video for you guys, just to show you a different way to buy Bitcoin, like in person. I'm always going to be making videos for you guys when it comes to like, I want to not only show a monopoly, right? If I only ever advertise Coinbase and I say that's the only way to do it, it's best to always look at all your options and what situation you're in, what makes what better and stuff like that. So I kind of like showing you guys all these different forms of ways for you guys to decide yourself on what your best option is for buying Bitcoin. And of course, the cool thing about this is it's in person. You can literally do it just with cash. I didn't even need a debit card throughout any of it or a bank account for any of it, which is really cool. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video like I already said, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.